I've got my Lancôme Spring 2024 gift with purchase, and I'm going to be unboxing. I'm Kim from the Beauty Biz, and today we are unboxing Lancôme Spring 2024 gift with purchase. I can't wait to share with you what's inside. Like I said, I pre-sold a few weeks ago, and the first thing we have is the little soft pink. Now this year it is a barrel type bag, and it is a waffle texture. It is so cute. Looks like it would hold plenty of your makeup. Oh wow, we've got the 2 compartments. That's very cool. Never seen that before. Now, like I said, it's a $39.50 or more, and so my qualifying purchase, I always get Lancome Care and Glow Serum Foundation, you guys. Can't beat it. And with the Care and Glow, Tawny Doll Care and Glow Foundation, as a base, you have all your other products. You have a totally full face of makeup. Now, the next thing, you guys, I always share that you can never get enough Absolute. This is Lancome's premium skincare line. Snag it when they have the gifts with purchase because it is so expensive. And this is the soft cream, and it is so absolutely luscious. We have the Le Galate cleanser, and this is for basically oily skin or the acne prone skin. I don't really use this. I give it away. I use that cream comfort cleanser, and that is for dry skin. And also we do have the mini size of the Absolute eye cream. Look how luscious. Perfect. And the next item in our Spring 2024 gift with purchase is a full-size Cils Booster Mascara Primer. And if you have never used a mascara primer, it goes on white. You have to let it dry, and when you apply this or mascara, if you start at the root and wiggle as you lift up, it will apply exactly the right amount of product for the perfect lash every time. So they give you a full-size Cils Booster, and this is my favorite. It's a travel size, but it's a Monsieur Big mascara. Us in the Lancome world, we call it Mr. Big, but it is the falsies look without need for falsies. And the last item we've got is the Berry Noir. Perfect. Not quite a spring shade, but we'll save that for fall and winter. But that is a Lancome gift with purchase, you guys. $39.50 at any Lancome counter. And the Lancome 2024 gift with purchase, you have to spend $39.50 at least in a qualifying product to get the 6 free gifts, and that includes the Lancome pink waffle bag with the 6 other items that we showed. So actually with the cosmetic bag, you're getting 7 free gifts for $39.50. With tax, it was like $42 something, I believe, but it is amazing. The cost of your gift with purchase, of course, will depend on the qualifying product that you spent. So run to your local Lancome counter. Ladies, if you love the premise of getting free makeup and skincare all year long, this is my signature masterclass that I teach how to get free makeup and skincare. It's the insider tricks that I share from working years behind the cosmetics counter, and I want to share that with you. If you have not subscribed, please do so already. I'm Kim from the Beauty Biz. I can't wait to share with you the things that we've got coming at the Beauty Biz. Till next time, as always, much love.